How to turn on or off autoplay audio note on REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using the REDnote app and you're tired of audio automatically playing as soon as you open or post a video, then in today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to show you how to easily turn off the autoplay audio feature on the REDnote app. Whether you want to keep things quiet or prefer audio play automatically, I've got you covered. So let's jump right in. First thing first, open up your REDnote app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And then once you land on your homepage, you just have to head over to the Me tab to access your profile page. Next, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. And once you get to your settings menu, tap on the general settings right here. And here you will find the autoplay audio on Note. So under this function, you'll find this. So if this is toggled on, all you have to do is turn it off and your autoplay will be disabled. Now, once you have done that, you can just go back to confirm the changes. And that's all for today. Now you've learned how to control the autoplay audio feature on the REDnote app. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.